Meaning of error.
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 Error. Error refers to a mistake or deviation from the intended outcome in a system, process, or calculation. It represents the difference between the actual result and the expected or desired result, and can be caused by various factors such as faulty equipment, human error, or incorrect data input. Errors can have different levels of severity, from minor issues that can be easily corrected to major failures that can cause significant harm or damage. To minimize errors, it's important to implement proper quality control measures and continuously improve systems and processes.